How to change your password on Netflix. Whether or not you remember your current password doesn't matter, because I'll show you how you can change if you do remember it, and I will show you how you can change it if you want to reset it. So make sure to watch this video till the end. But before we get started, as always, make sure to also leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Without further ado, let's get started with today's video. Now there are basically two scenarios where you do remember your current password, you are logged into your account and you want to change it. The other scenario is that if you forgot your password and if you want to verify with email or your phone number and then go ahead and change it in that way. I will show you either of those. So first, just launch the Netflix app. So in my case, I'm actually currently logged into my account. I do remember my old password, let's say for example, and I want to learn how to change it. For that, tap on the profile icon on the top right corner, and here you want to go to this option called accounts. As you can see over here, just tap on account. As you tap on account, here you'll be able to see a list of these various options. Again, all you have to do is select this option that says change password at the top. Once you tap on change password, if you do remember your current password, then you can simply enter your current password here in this box and enter the new password that you want to use and also confirm the new password. You can also require all devices to sign in again with the new password, or you can leave it in logged in devices and tap on the save button in order to change your password. However, if you've forgotten your password and you don't know how to reset it, well, you have to tap on this little forgotten password button. Now if you're logged out of your account and you go to the login page as well, again you'll be able to see the forgot password option. So just tap on forgot password or any other buttons that you have. It will ask you to verify a code with your email address or your phone number, and once they send you the code, you have to simply go ahead and verify the code in that way, and just like that you'll be able to reset and change a new password. That's all it takes to change your password on Netflix. We hope the video was really helpful. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, then make sure to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.